To get precise results from your lead testing, it's important to collect your water samples in the right way. In this video, we'll walk you through each step to ensure you get accurate results. There are a few things you need to know before collecting your samples. You will need to collect from a cold water tap that is regularly used for drinking water, like a kitchen sink. Avoid using the tap for at least 6 hours before collecting your sample. Do not run or flush the water beforehand. This ensures accurate results. We recommend placing a note on the tap letting others know not to use it until sampling is complete. Avoid collecting water from taps connected to a water softener, or a tap that's connected to a point-of-use filter. Examples would include a carbon filter or a reverse osmosis filter. Finally, do not remove the aerator when collecting your samples. To collect your samples, have all 5 bottles ready. You won't take a break between bottles and will not turn off the water until you have filled all 5 bottles. You will fill each bottle to the 1,000 milliliter line. Start by placing bottle number 1 into the faucet. Turn on the cold water and fill it to the 1,000 milliliter line. Without turning off the tap, immediately move to bottle number 2. Then bottle number 3, number 4, and finally number 5. Once all bottles are filled, turn off the water. Record what time, date, and location the bottles were collected only on bottle number 1 and number 5. Then, return all 5 bottles to your water utility company.